Welcome to the GuruNanda Summer of Zen guided meditation series. In today's session, we're going to practice revitalizing ourselves, getting ourselves to that refreshed state where we're ready to take on the day. You may wish to diffuse some lemongrass essential oil to help get you into that state. You can practice this meditation while lying in bed or while sitting in a chair. Simply close your eyes and let your arms rest naturally by your sides, or however feels comfortable to you. Begin breathing slowly in and out through your nostrils. And draw your focus to this sensation. Go ahead and take 5 deep breaths. Don't worry too much about what's going on in the mind. Just breathe. Continue this breathing pattern, but shift your focus to the space between your eyebrows. Many people refer to this as the third eye. Take another 5 breaths. Now, place your hands on your chest. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Concentrate on the rising and falling of your chest. Go ahead and take 5 controlled breaths. Now, go ahead and rest your hands by your side and continue this breathing pattern. But shift your attention back to your third eye. Take another 5 slow breaths. Go ahead and place your hands on your stomach while continuing to inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Concentrate on the rising and the falling of the stomach. Take 5 deep breaths. Rest your hands by your sides and continue this breathing pattern. But shift your attention back to your third eye and take another 5 deep breaths. And when you're ready, you can go ahead and open your eyes. Hopefully now you're feeling relaxed but refreshed and ready to take on the day. If you enjoyed this session, keep in mind that you can come back here anytime. And stay tuned for the rest of our series, which will include a guided meditation for each of our top 6 essential oils. And as always, remember, be healthy, be happy, and be you.